through this video, we are going to see about Android sensor. Sensor is nothing but, guys, it is a device and known as a module and machine and subsystem like that. And the main purpose of this sensor, we can detect the real-time data from our environment, and we can detect some events, and we can send these information to some electronic device or mobile like that. In particularly, the mobile sensor have two type of sensors. One is built-in sensors, another one is added sensor. So by defaultly, our mobile phone having built-in sensor only, and very rarely we are using as of now added sensors. So these sensor categories. So how many categories? There are totally three categories there. One is motion sensors, another one environmental sensor, and position sensor. So motion sensor mostly used for measure the acceleration force or the relational force along the three axis like that. And inside the motion sensor category, so accelerometer and gravity sensor and rational vector sensor these are participate inside the motion sensor. For environmental sensor, we can get the parameters from our environment and like that temperature, pressure, and illumination and humidity like that. So for this category and parameter and photometers and thermometers, so these are sensor is there. And final one, position sensor is sensor the measuring a physical position of device. So these categories includes orientation sensors and magnetometer sensor. So mainly the three categories there. And from this our concept, we are going to display. We are going to get information of our sensors, our mobile sensors. Let me see, guys, how to get in sensor information from our mobile through an example. Let me see. So go to your project and in your developing window. So I'm going to display my all sensor or particular sensor in through one list view, and now I'm creating the list view for my activity. So list view. And here my width is match parent, and because my list view, I want my list view entire margin. That's what I'm giving here, match parent, and ID is like view. This list view ID is view. So after creating your view, list view, so here is not necessary, guys, only list view you have to use that, and whatever your comfortable views, and you can create that. And go to your main activity, and inside that, those you can get the sensor informations through the code. So how to write the code for sensor and creating some temporary variable, and I am called the sensor manager for this variable, sensor manager, and so for the sensor manager I am get some services, system services for sensor reading, and inside the context dot sensor service as sensor manager. Okay, guys, here we get service from the Android and through the sensor services, and these services are stored through sensor manager to the SM variable. And again, so another one variable is a list. So here I'm called the variable, and here the get the sensor list. So get sensor list and sensor keyword dot. So which type you want? So for example, I want to information only the accelerometer, or you want to the private base or gravity and gyroscope and heartbeat. So many sensor is there. So I want to display all type of whatever sensor available in my mobile, it will be display. Okay, so I'm choose all type all sensor. So we successfully get the all information and store into the list variable. And now I'm going to display this information, all sensor type name into the list view. So how to display a list, how to call the list. So here I am calling the adapter equal to array adapter, and for my attribute is sensor. So here application context and Android dot resource dot layout dot simple drop down list item. So comma list. So after creating an adapter for list view, so I am assigning the value, assigning the list into the adapter, and here my name is view, right? Yes. View dot adapter equal this adapter. Okay guys, our code is ready. Now I'm going to run our code, whether it's working or not. So once I'm execute this code, so what are the sensor participate in mobile, it will be displayed. Let me see guys. Now I am start my emulator. Okay guys, the results came. See guys, here the all type of sensor. So what are the sensor available in the particular emulator? It has display here. See, so all sensors are display. So here the light sensor and proximity sensor, ambient temperature sensor, and magnetic sensor, accelerometer, humidity sensor, axis 3-axis magnetic field sensor, and linear accelerator sensor, rotation vector sensor, orientation sensor. So what are the sensor participating in the emulator? It has display here. So these all type of sensors are display. So I want to get information only the for example only the pressure sensor or humidity sensor like that. Now just go to the sensor type and here just change the all type. See guys, here accelerometer sensor and device gravity. So far I'm choosing here gravity, and let me check it's working or not. So I'm running the emulator. So it will be display on the gravity sensor information only. See guys, here the gravity sensor only display. So using these information, you can utilize, you can use in your concept and in your application in efficient way. And just try this example with any other concept, guys. Okay. And thank you so much, guys. We will meet next video with another one different concept. Thank you so much. Bye.